Gunjan, let me start with you a little bit. Bank of America wrote up this big note about watching the options and what they indicate. What are you seeing with the options on NVIDIA?
That's right, Contessa. The financial markets Super Bowl is here, and options traders are positioning for a mammoth move in NVIDIA stock after it reports today. They're pricing in around a 12% move in the stock. That's tomorrow alone. And just putting that number into context, the average move over the past 8 earnings releases has been around 9% up or down, and a 12% move would be a move of around $400 billion for NVIDIA. So people are really bracing for fireworks after this report today.
You're looking at a company that now has about $3.5 trillion in market value. It's up almost 200% this year. Beth, when you're looking at the fundamentals of this company and where it could go, what gets your attention?
Oh, wow. So many things get my attention right now. I guess first and foremost, big tech CapEx continues to grow. We're tracking over 200 billion this year. We'll be over 300 billion next year. You cannot understate, or you cannot overstate the importance of this, because this is where all the demand is coming from. They continue to spend. Secondly, when you go and look at pricing power, Hopper was priced about 40% lower than what we're tracking for Blackwell right now. So when you look at the demand signals, you look at the pricing power, and then what you want to layer in is the supply chain signals. We're actually on the other side of that debate around whether there are supply chain issues or not. What I'm seeing from Taiwan Semiconductor right now is a surge in their high performance computing segment. As a fab that I've watched very closely, their numbers are indicating that 2025 is going to be a very big year for AI and for NVIDIA.
Are you concerned at all about the reported problems with overheating in the servers?
Not concerned at all. It is well understood that Blackwell is pushing the outer limits of what AI chips are capable of. So it is assumed that there will be need for new components, new processes. It's called CoWoS capacity at Taiwan Semi. Those things are assumed with the fact that they are pushing that upper limit of capabilities. In addition to pushing the upper limit of the capabilities of AI chips, they will also be pushing the upper limit of revenue next year. So when you look at it combined, this is the kind of thing, as an investor, I want to see.
Analysts are expecting about $33 billion in revenue, which would be 83% growth over last year. What we have seen in the past is that when NVIDIA moves, not only does it move the whole market, but specific companies in that sphere. Gunjan, which companies are you looking at? If you see those massive moves that the options are indicating, which other companies could move in tandem?
Definitely, Contessa. I mean, I think one thing that makes NVIDIA's earnings so important, and to your point, people do watch this and parse the leaders' comments as they might Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments, because it's such an important indicator for the broader AI trade and the semiconductor sector overall. So I think people are going to be watching companies throughout that sector, even the Magnificent Seven, for clues after this earnings report.
But Beth, you point out that this is not even close to even the rest of the Mag 7, especially in terms of the profit margins for this company.
Oh, absolutely. It's not only the top line that separates NVIDIA, it's also that operating margin and the cash flow. It is double the majority of the Mag 7, double Apple, double Google, 17 points ahead of the second place winner, Microsoft. However, I do want to say that Q3 is somewhat irrelevant. All eyes should be on 2025. This is when Blackwell is arriving. It's really, really important for investors to understand that at this point, we're 7 quarters into the last generation of GPUs. The new generation is coming out, and that's what investors should be focused on.